Hey, what's up there? I guess YouTube and TikTok just have a dude straight up like this. So yeah, 3 minutes it would be for TikTok, and same with YouTube. Today, I dropped off a bicycle for my friend Ethan Reed. If Douglas is watching, Merry Christmas, dude. Yeah. Man, I'm just chilling, hanging out, do what I gotta do. And also, this is for Crazy Workout Man. Off of YouTube and maybe not so much TikTok. Yeah, I'm just drinking. I was mangry, mad and hungry at the same time. I've created a new word, mangry. And guess what? All my day was actually fun. And guess what? All I did was seeing something red. I finally got a new bicycle. So yay! Yeah. And today is actually fun, and I'm gonna write it some more. Try to break her in. Yeah. Like cheers. And I'm out of here, so peace, love, all this for love and work with. Also, do me a huge favor, smash that like button. If you're on TikTok, follow, heart, and comment, please.